In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and install Windows 11, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to this website. So what I will do is leave a link in the video description down below. And once you click onto that link, you'll be taken across to this website. Now, before you do anything, you want to first of all do a PC health check. So as you can see, it says before installing, please refer to the PC health check app to confirm your device does meet the system requirements for Windows 11. So what you're going to want to do is click onto this link here, and this is going to go ahead and open up the PC health check. So what you want to do on this page is click to download the PC health check app, and once that's downloaded, just go ahead and run this on your PC. So you just want to accept the terms of the license agreement, press install, and just wait for that to install on your PC. So once the PC health check has installed, you're going to get a window like this. And from here, what you can do is leave the box ticked to open up the Windows PC health check, and then press the finish button at the bottom. And what's going to happen, it's going to open up a window like this. Now all you need to do is press the blue check now button, and this is going to check your PC to see if you do meet the requirements for Windows 11. So for myself, I don't actually meet the requirements, so make sure you do this before downloading. And once you've done that, if you are compatible, you can come back to this website and press the download now button here. So once that's finished downloading, just click onto the download to open up the installation wizard. And again, for myself, it says this PC does not meet the minimum system requirements to install Windows 11. However, what you would do is just follow the steps to install Windows 11 on your PC. So that is how to install Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.